All right, hopefully we can get this done in a reasonable number of takes. Hi, I'm Brian at Bhaaloo Wildscapes, and I want to talk about some mistakes that I've made as a beginner YouTuber and native plant garden design person. Just to begin, this video is really about me and my experience at the very beginning stages of this project. There's really no garden design or native plant specific information at all. Anyway, so I had this idea to form Bhaaloo Wildscapes and make content around the concept of native plant garden design about a year ago, and I was very excited about it. I still am excited about it. But I put up this YouTube channel and an Instagram, which is at Bhaaloo Wildscapes. Put a link in the description. So, I did what you do. I made a few posts, and quickly I realized that I didn't know as much about this topic as I would like to, being somebody who wants to make videos about it on the internet. Also, I was having a hard time just being in front of the camera and trying to be serious, which took me by surprise, to be completely honest. I was going for this whole PBS, talking head fountain of knowledge thing that would be a good resource for the community. I had all these ideas about how I was going to document the progress I was going to make in my own yard, and with that create some great demonstrative proof of concept videos. But due to some time and money constraints, I didn't really make the progress that I wanted to make in the past 8 months. In the past several years since I moved into this space, I've made a ton of progress, but I'll go over that big picture in a different video. So to me, there was a noticeable difference between the result I was getting and like this ideal that I was trying to pursue, right? And that was disappointing, to be honest. So I kind of put myself in a timeout and just spent as much time as I could learning about native garden design so I could be ready to apply it when the time comes. And then whatever happens, happens. Now it's spring 2024 and we're here. It's happening. Real quick plug here. Although this is like a business pursuit for me, I don't have access at this time to any wholesale nursery or discounted plants or anything like that. So I'm paying full retail value for these nursery plants. And as you know, that can be quite expensive. So I'm introducing the sponsor for this video and all videos in the foreseeable future, Bhaaloo Candle Co. These are candles that I make from the highest quality ingredients that I could find, and all proceeds go to funding this project. I just recently rebranded this and started a fragrance design project from scratch. So as of today, April 22nd, happy Earth Day by the way, there's only 3 fragrances available. I'm trying to do 1 new release every month. This one that I'm holding is my favorite. It's called Sugi. It smells so good. It starts with this astringent, bitter citrus note and goes right into this like light woody cedar forests kind of vibe, and then gets carried off with like a oak mossy camphorous type spice. It's so good. I'm really proud of this one. And it's got this cool little label on it designed by me. Can't really see it, but it's double wicked for like a real dialed in maximum burn time experience. Good bang for your buck. It's a medium sized 9-ounce candle, great for a medium room. And they're all made with a high quality coconut soy blend wax. So this candle in particular, I usually just leave right on my desk. I don't even light it. Unlit, this has, a delicious odor that's definitely noticeable. And in the candle world, you would call that a strong cold throw. So, fun fact. And if you're interested, the link to this website is in the description. Moving on. So my plan from here on out is to inch this project forward as often as possible while crowdsourcing information and recommendations and documenting the whole thing. On that note, it turned out to be a pretty nice day. So I'm gonna go outside and get at it, maybe get some weeding done. Hope you do the same, and thanks for watching.